Welcome to my COMP2801 final demonstration video. This will be demoing the controller 2, which is the part that I worked on for the robot here. Just going to reset the world, and then I'm going to get one of the cups set up here as if the robot is about to deliver it. All right, so as my robot runs, it's likely to arrive at its waiting zone before the robot 1 completes delivering the first cup. So I'm going to drag it in as if simulating that drop-off point. So as it appears in its camera view over here, you can see that it starts homing in on that cup to come and pick it up and then deliver it to the zone. Perfect. All right, just going to pause here quick and drag over some more of the cups and set them up as if they were being delivered while my robot was doing its first run of its task. And then I'll set them up after and then let the robot do its work and talk about it a little as it goes through. Okay. So that's a little far. We'll suppose that the first cup is, we'll say it's dropped off over here. And then we'll get another cup that's dropped off in behind it, pretty close where it should be just about touching that other cup. So that's good. It's been dropped off very close. We'll say this other cup again has been dropped off. Sorry, I zoomed into the wall there. My apologies. Has been dropped off again right behind this other cup. It's bumped in, maybe nudged that cup out of the way a little, and they've all been dropped off there as we can expect. And then the final cup, I will just move over to the side here as if it's been dropped off on its own and it's not really in that main grouping there. All right, perfect. Let's watch the robot now as it goes through its first traversal of the maze. So it gets going here. I'll run these in regular speed, and then as we complete a few, I will just put it in fast forward to show it completing its task. So the robot here uses LiDAR navigation to get through the maze, and then it uses mainly camera homing later for the drop-off zones and pickup zones, as I displayed a little beforehand. All right, as we come up to this drop-off zone, I'll just zoom in and display what it does here quick. So the robot goes, or drops the cup off at least a little over the boundary of that zone, just so it's easier for the next robot, but at no point does it really cross into the other zone. Stays within its region and just drops it off deep. So I'll fast forward back through all the maze finding and then put it in regular speed for the pickup here again. And we'll just show what happens here. So it goes in to find one of the cups using homing. Looks like it'll be going for this middle cup here, maybe. Yep, there it has one. And I'll put it in fast forward again, just as it goes through the rest of the maze there. And it drops it off again, puts it over there as we expect, and I will keep it in fast forward as it does the rest of its work here. So it picks up one cup, heads over, nudges some of the other ones a little as it moves, but that's to be expected. It's not the most precise, but it gets the job done. So it'll pick one here. There we go, and it'll be on its last lap in just a second now. Perfect. As we can see, as it finishes its final lap, it stops here and completes its work. All right, thank you for watching the demonstration video of part 2 of our final project code. Thank you.